Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to create a group in ClickUp. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to create a group in the ClickUp app, follow the steps. Start by opening your web browser and sign into your ClickUp account. Type in ClickUp.com and press the enter. If you are not signed in, make sure you are signed into your account first from the home screen of ClickUp in order to create a group so that you can assign a task to a particular group. You can mention them in the comments and even add watchers in bulk. Creating a group will save you tons of time when you're working with groups of people on ClickUp. In order to create a group, make sure that you are an admin or owner, since admins and people on owners can only create teams and remove members or groups on ClickUp. First, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. Now, go to your workspace settings by clicking on it, and then at the left-hand side menu, click on Teams. Once you click on the team, go and click on the New Team option, and start adding a new team or group on your ClickUp app. In order to do so, you'll need to update your ClickUp to Unlimited for $5 per month. Click on the option and select your plan. Once you do that, you'll need to go ahead and select your billing plan and enter your payment details by entering your credit card number, expiration date, the CVV code number, and your postal code number. Click on Upgrade. After you do that, you'll be able to add members, including guests, to the team in your concrete group on ClickUp. That is how you can create a group on ClickUp. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.